The Probes Assistant that you can access from the Window Assistance menu allows you to easily trace probed nets in a large design. Here you can see the Probes Assistant docked at the bottom of the canvas. In a schematic hierarchy, you can view the library and cell view name of each probed net. The input, output and input-output pins connected to the probed net have been classified as loads, drivers and in-out respectively. So you can see this in the display, making it easier to understand a large schematic design. Also, cross selection is available from and to the assistant, where selecting a probed net in the assistant will cause the same probed net to be highlighted in the design and in the navigator assistant, and it would have the same color. The information that the assistant displays in the display area can be filtered using the options in the Probes area, search widget and Probes filter. Another assistant that you can access from the Window Assistance menu is the Property Editor Assistant. It is added by default in the basic workspace, and as the name suggests, when you choose a design element or elements in your schematic, its associated properties are listed out in this assistant at the current level of hierarchy. You can directly edit properties on single or on multiple objects, and you can use the object category and property category selectors to filter objects or properties. On this slide, you can see them listed as instances, and you can change the width, length or model name of all the selected transistors. You can also access these properties by pressing the alphabet Q on the keyboard. This will open the Edit Object Properties form, and this form allows you to perform similar edits. At this time, I should point out that whatever selections you make in the navigator or property editor, you will see that the corresponding instance, net or pin is also selected in the main schematic canvas. To make decoding properties for large schematics easier, the Property Editor Assistant has a set of filters that you can use for each element of your design schematic. For instance, you can choose the connectivity filter to view the pin connectivity, the signal type and the direction of the connectivity for any of the instances. The default arrangement of objects is by property. Now to see all the properties associated with the selected objects grouped by object name, you can right click on the property name and choose View by Object. You can also filter by attributes that allows you to change the color and style of wires in the property editor. Changing to the Explore workspace appends two more assistants to your canvas, the World View and the Search Assistants. The World View Assistants will get tabbed with your Property Editor Assistant if you are changing from the basic workspace. For a large design, you can use the World View Assistant to focus in a panoramic view. You can also move or resize the rectangular box to zoom in to a particular location of your design. The Search Assistant makes your design data searching both simple and productive. The search here uses Virtuoso platform data structures and commands and presents them through an interactive UI, allowing you to define queries based on the results fed back. Precise searches within searches are then possible, as the design data is very structured and generally contains unique identifiers for netlisting and back annotation purposes. You can then use the Advanced Search button to narrow down your search filter. The expression that you type in the search field can contain words, keywords and operators. You can also search using logical operators and commands. For example, searching using the word amplifier lists the cells, instances and libraries where amplifier appears. You can click on options to access the search options form, where you can choose categories of objects to be displayed in the search categories pull down menu, and you can check or uncheck the boxes for different types of categories.